Dear participants of the Climate Vulnerable Forum high-level meeting, dear friends, greetings from the Kyrgyz Republic. Being a mountainous country in the very heart of the Central Asian region, we always stand for the interests of two highly vulnerable groups: the Central Asian countries with the total population of more than 76 million people, and the mountainous regions with 15% of total human population. We are the emitters of 0.03% of total volume of greenhouse gas emissions. Each year, we suffer from the climate change much more than we influence. Over the past 40 years, we have seen an increase in average temperature for 1.6 Celsius degree. According to estimates, a conservative assumption is that climate-related disasters will cost around $156 million by 2032. Over the past 20 years, the country as a whole has seen an increase in natural disasters by 60%. It is likely to intensify land degradation, desertification, and in the long run, the shortage of water resources, which would straightly influence on the food and energy security for the whole region. The Kyrgyz Republic pays high attention on importance to climate change adaptation and resilience at all levels, an important condition for which is to establish and maintain the balance between economic development and environmental conservation. Strong political support and green dimension of development at the highest political level have already launched a chain of changes for the green transformation. We updated our NDC last year. According to our NDC, we are aiming at the mitigation by 44% by 2030, and we are aiming to reach carbon neutrality by 2050 with the strong support of our international partners. Now, to avoid leaving these ambitions as just promises, we have launched a number of national-level documents, such as President's Decree on Year of Mountainous Ecosystems Protection and Climate Resilience, 5-year National Development Program, and National Campaign for Afforestation Green Heritage until 2030. Thereby, the Ministry of Natural Resources, Ecology and Technical Supervision of the Kyrgyz Republic presents its compliments and expresses deep gratitude to the Climate Vulnerable Forum Secretariat for the assistance provided to implement climate change adaptation efforts of the country. Taking into account the above, our ministry will kindly ask to consider petition of the Kyrgyz Republic for the membership of the Climate Vulnerable Forum, confirming high level of interest. The functions of designated national focal point of the Kyrgyz Republic will be assigned at the deputy ministry level. The director of the Climate Finance Center will serve as additional focal point of the Kyrgyz Republic to interact with CVF. The ministry also reviews the findings of the regional consultations held in September this year and in common agrees with Accra-Kinshasa communique of the CVF. On behalf of the ministry, let me renew our assurance of the highest consideration. Thank you, and looking forward to see all of you in COP27.